Alright, we just saran wrapped Andrew's car, all of it. You can barely see, but yeah, we got it. Okay, get in there, get in there.
Taking a video?
Huh? Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Just magnificent work. This artist, whoever this might have been, just brilliant.
Crazy shit right here.
Can you see it well?
It
Should
can-
be a night version.
I don't have that.
Change the... Oh, that's all you can do. Okay, oh. Wait, from here you can get the... Yes, you can kind of see all the shininess. That's basically the car. With the... Yeah, there you go. Yep. It's pretty much all the way around and pretty much perfect. Look at that shiny car. Alright, you ready to go, Kieran? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Let's go. Peace out.
Sorry, Andrew.